Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So it's me again, Thur Zkiel. So today's vlog is about hair care tips. Yan. So, we all do have bad hair days. Paano natin yun manage? In this video, I'm gonna show you a natural way on how to manage your hair even on a bad hair days. If you want to know about it, just keep on watching.
So some of the hair care tips are: don't use too much hair dryer or blower. Use wide-toothed comb for wet hair. Shampoo your scalp and condition hair ends. Change hair part and relax hair from ponytails. Stay away from too much sun exposure. And you can also use homemade hair masks or natural oils. So in this video, I will show you how to use the ready-made coconut milk as hair mask and also the virgin coconut oil. And you can also use the fresh coconut oil, or is also known as kakang gata. We will do the mask first. So what we need is the coconut milk and also the shower cup. Massage it directly on the scalp and to your entire hair for 10 minutes. And then take the shower cup and cover your hair. Let it stay for 30 minutes, then wash it thoroughly with a mild shampoo. The next one is the virgin coconut oil. Put and gently massage the oil to your entire hair. Apply it section by section from roots to ends of hair. And then leave it overnight and wash it off with mild shampoo in the morning. You can use either of these two home hair remedies once or twice a week to achieve a healthier, smoother, fuller, shinier, and also for faster hair growth.
So yun guys, I hope this video is beneficial again for you, and sana may natutunan naman kayo na tipid tips. See you again on my next vlog. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified to my beauty tips and videos as well. So, and always remember to stay kind, confident, and beautiful inside and out. Bye!